Boom. It's me. It's me, y'all. What's going on? It's me, running with the calls. Got another vid for you. Unboxing from uh from you all know that Memphis, Tennessee. Nike.com. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. And like my boy Mike Rich say, I don't need no box cutter. I just use my hands. That power. And what do we have here? What do we have here? Oh, by the way, while y'all watching, hit that subscribe button. Comment at the end of the video if you would like. How y'all day going? Did anybody get those Yeezy boots? Anybody go get the Chrome 8s? I didn't, because I didn't want them. Because I was waiting on these. You see the box. Kyrie 2. Got that signature again. See that size tag. 10 and a half. Multicolor. Black. Sale. 10 and a half. Retail price $125. And as you can see, Kyrie 2. Kyrie Irving name again. Nike check. Kyrie logo. Let's get into it. Oh. Nike keeps sending these, but there's nothing on them. So if you haven't ordered from Nike yet, since the holiday season has been here, don't get too happy when you see that. Nike receipt. Better than the last receipt. Woohoo! Ooh, let me take a smell. Ah, them things is fresh. Here we go. The Kyrie 2 effect with that tie-dye. Oh, these are nice. These are nice. Let me show you guys a quick review. Quick review. You know, the Kyrie 2 has the strap now with the Nike check on it. Tribute to his moms. And you have those flat black and white and gray laces. You have that Kyrie tongue in that tumbled leather. Then I think there's some type of mesh. It's sort of like the first Kyrie, almost the same. The bottom is not white. It's like a eggshell color or like an off-white. You have the Kyrie logo at the bottom. Another Nike check. Number 2 on the back, mixed in with all that tie-dye. And on the back, Kyrie signature, JBY. And let me see if I can let y'all see the inside. Inside has that kind of like some type of pattern on it. But yeah, that's the Kyrie 2. Let me put out the other one. And if you just happen to order these and haven't received them yet, both shoes has different colors on the tie-dye. See, this one has like more flowers and this one looks more like the ocean, more wavy. But these are nice, y'all. Nice. But there you have it. The Kyrie 2 effect. And as you know, these fit kind of snug, so I go a half size up, but I can't say try them on because I think they sold out. So either take a chance going your regular size or just go a half size up. But that's it. Nice little review of this Kyrie 2. And I'm going to go ahead on and get out of here. It's me, your boy running with the calls. Subscribe to the channel. This is going to be my last purchase of the year. Comment if need be. And I'm out of here. Peace.